This is a sign of good things to come in your life. So keep your faith in God and firmly believe that you should keep doing what you are doing. Never let your fears and anxieties get the better of you. God only asks that you put your trust in Him and allow Him to perform the unforeseen miracles you have yet to see. It is crucial that we put our trust in God and ourselves. Even though a person you barely know must earn your trust, you must let things go and realize that if someone is lying to you, they are only lying to themselves and not to you. Different people have different levels of intelligence, and developing intuitive abilities takes hard work. Your ability to communicate with your angels will improve once you learn to use your intuition. Ask them about your plans for pursuing a successful life. They continuously respond on time. People who have already achieved success are often admired for spending time improving their mindset, which is something that you may notice about them. Your life will most likely be abundant if you have a good and positive outlook on things around you. Focusing solely on what will help you contribute to the table is the key to continuing to move forward in life. Gain as much as you can from your ideas, abilities, and knowledge. Continue to work on the things you struggle with. Despite your desire to stop moving or doing nothing, keep going with the things that will benefit you in the long run. Never get comfortable in your current situation. Every step you take outside of your comfort zone brings you one step closer to your needs and desires. Additionally, it serves as a divine reminder to never lose hope while you are single. Breakthroughs are happening for you this season. Continually consider your options because your soulmate will soon be revealed to you. God will always make clear who you are meant to be with, so there won't ever be any confusion. Become calm inside and out. Your night is heading your way. Your wonderful journey will last a lifetime. Keep your love close by each other forever. With your undying love for one another, you two will overcome any obstacle. You two are meant to be a hugely powerful couple.